Welcome to Elementary Moo Math. In this video, let's continue talking about what do decimal tell us, and let's, in this video, work on hundredths. We know if we have 0 here, and if we go in this direction, the numbers get larger, and we begin with 1, then we go to tens, hundreds, thousands, and we can continue forever. If we go in this direction, everything gets smaller, and we begin with tenths, hundredths, then thousands. So let's first look at tenths real fast. Okay, if you have one object, and you have divided it into 10 places, okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and you take one of these, then you have one of the tenths, and it's written like this. Well, in this video, we're going to talk about how do we get to the 100ths. So let's look at an example. Well, let's see. We have tenths here. We have it divided into 10 parts. But now what if we divide these 10 parts into 10 more? And we can do this. Notice that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you multiply 10 times 10, we have 100 parts. So that is what 100th is. We divided the tenths into 100ths. Okay, let's take a look at these decimals and see what they're telling us. First, we know that we have tenths here, we have hundredths here. So this decimal tells us we have 14 of the 100. So I would shade in 14 of these boxes. Okay, so we have 14 of the 100. So this is what 14 hundredths would look like. How about 35 hundredths? Well, we would shade in, we would have all of these boxes, all 35 of these boxes of the 100. So there's 35 hundredths. And how about 45 hundredths? Yes, we would go ahead and shade in. There's 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 40, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's what 45 100ths looks like. Remember, we have the tenths here. Then we divided the tenths into 100 places. Now, let's do it the opposite way. Notice that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the 100 places written in. How would we write this as a decimal? Well, we have the tens here, so we're going to write a 0, and then we're going to write a 6 that represents the hundredths place, because we have 100 boxes, so it would be written, the decimal would be written like this. What if we shade in all of these? Okay, we shade in each of these all the way to, let's go, 18. Well, it would be written, here's the 10 place, and here is the 100th place. So this would be 18 hundredths. But if we shade in a couple more, and we go all the way to, let's go 26. Here's the decimal, there's the tens, and there's the hundredths place.